on your feet, these sights to see, rolling